The 10.26-inch portable wireless CarPlay screen offers seamless integration with both CarPlay and Android Auto, enhancing your driving experience with hands-free connectivity. Equipped with a quad-core processor and dual-band Wi-Fi, the device ensures a quick startup and smooth operation, connecting to your phone within seconds. Included in the package is a 64GB microSD card that supports DVR loop recording, providing continuous and reliable capture of your driving footage. The dual-camera system features a 2.5K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, offering crystal-clear images for safer navigation and parking. The mirror link function allows you to project your smartphone screen onto the CarPlay display, providing a more immersive entertainment experience on the road. Designed for flexibility, the device comes with adjustable mounts and is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making installation hassle-free and versatile.